Are you doubtful about the sustainability of your long-term hotel success? Did you know that the personalization of system solutions can generate value and meaningful experiences to improve guest loyalty? Let Tigonix HMS elevate your hotel management efforts to deliver exceptional services and enrich the personal experiences of clients to ensure lucrative long-term growth in your hotel. Join Tigonix to tailor a solution to meet the unique operational standards and culture with premium tools, integrated modules, and newer features. Tigonix HMS accommodates indispensable modules for hoteliers like room and facility management, restaurant and menu management, recipes management, CRM modules, HR modules, and more. Exploit the power of automation, integration, business data analytics, and a range of other technology advancements to boost your hotel's growth and ROI rates. Connect with Tigonix to share your concerns or to book a free demo of this solution by mailing us at info@tigonix.com. Tigonix HMS, one solution to every player in the hospitality industry.